Hello everyone, welcome to my English class. Today we would learn compound words. Compound words are formed when two or more words are joined together to create a new word that has an entirely new meaning. For example, sun and flower are two different words, but when fused together they form another word, sunflower. Consider the words make up and makeup. This is a more advanced example of a compound word because the resulting combination is a homonym, which means same spelling but different meanings and can be used in more than one way. Make up your mind fast. My makeup was ruined by the rain. I have a makeup exam tomorrow. In the first sentence, makeup is a verb. In the second sentence, makeup is used as a noun. In the third sentence, we see makeup as an adjective describing exam. Words can be combined to form compound nouns. These are very common and new combinations are invented almost daily. They normally have two parts. The first part tells us what kind of object or person it is, or what its purpose is. The second part identifies the object or person in question. Compound nouns often have a meaning that is different or more specific than the two separate words. Example, first part type or purpose. Second part what or who. Compound noun. We take the word in first part type or purpose, police. Second part what or who, man. When we combine these two words, we'll get a new word in compound noun, policeman. First part water, second part tank. When we combine it, we'll get water tank. Dining, first part, second part table. We'll combine it, we'll form a new compound noun, dining table. Here are few compound words with gerund and noun. These words may convey more than one meaning. Gerund, noun, gerund plus noun. Dancing, gerund, noun, bird. We'll combine it and we'll get a new word, dancing bird. Drawing, gerund, room, noun, drawing room. Teaching, gerund, aids, noun, teaching aids. Here, dancing bird specifies that the bird dances. Drawing room means a room in a house in which guests can be received. Teaching aids means materials used by the teacher. As we know, nouns are naming words and verbs are doing words. They are the most important words in a sentence. In contrast to the meanings of those individual words, the words will convey different meanings. Example, noun, verb, noun plus verb. Here, noun, rain, verb, fall. When we'll fuse together, we'll get rainfall. Hair, noun, cut, verb. Noun plus verb, hair, cut. Car, noun, verb, park. Noun plus verb here, car park. So here rainfall means shower of rain. Haircut specifies the style in which a person's hair is cut. Car park means an area where vehicles may be left. Thus children, learning how to take compound words apart is as important as knowing how to form them. So practice more words in order to know the new words and its meanings. Thank you.